We are back at what soon will be 9 affordable apartments for veterans here at the Central School in Dracut, Massachusetts. Jay, how's it going?
Hey, Tom.
So you're the architect here and the place is looking great.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Tell me about this unit right here.
We're very excited. This is our one-bedroom unit.
Yeah?
We've got kitchen over here.
Nice sized kitchen in the corner there.
This is our living space.
Right? I like the fact that the high ceilings give you an illusion of the space even being
Big
bigger
windows
than it
help
is.
a lot.
Yeah.
Tile bathroom.
Tile bathroom, nice.
Storage closet.
Yeah, a little closet out here.
This is our bedroom.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Tall windows.
I like the fact that you're saving the door casings and the window casings, too.
That's important. We want to use as much as we can. We're saving the floors.
Oh, these are maple. These should stand up beautifully.
But not only that, we're bringing back the chalkboards, putting them back in place.
That's understandable.
Here's a sample.
So this is a
This
sample
is all
thing?
cleaned up.
Oh, you cleaned this up. I was
Yeah,
going to say, this
yeah.
looks like it's in pretty good shape.
There's a lot of work to do to these.
So you're going to cut a piece to fit right in here.
Right. But fortunately, we've got Mauro to help us.
So Mauro, looks like you got your work cut out for you there. This looks like old glue on there. So how'd you clean up that other sample there? Because that looks pretty good.
Well, I took that sample a couple of days ago back into my shop, and I used a couple of things that didn't work really well. First, I tried the degreaser. It didn't help at all.
Nothing.
Nothing, you know. And then I tried the baking soda mixed with the hot water, and it did a little bit, but not enough.
Really?
So then I tried the vinegar, which went beautifully. It's the acid that's in there that helps to dissolve glue and all the tape residues that's back on the board.
So how long did you let it soak for?
It's about 2 to 3 minutes, Tom.
Really, that quick?
That quick is the power of the vinegar. So we kept the patina on the board, the colors. It has some imperfections, of course, but this has been here for 132 years.
Well, all we have to do now is get it on the wall. Really looks good. Maybe I should leave a note, huh?
Nice.
There you go.
Good sentiment.
All right. Nice job.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.